Same meaning. Two sentences. 1 mark. The exam wants you to rebuild them into a single sentence.
Wait, they give us 2 sentences and we have to glue them together?
Glue them with the right word. The exam tells you which word to use. You do the rebuild. Meet Blur. He just attempted his synthesis homework. Every answer used one connector.
He was tired and he kept playing and he scored a goal and his team won. Blur, that is one giant sentence with 4 ands. Did you ever close it? And. Final answer.
Synthesis and transformation is worth 10 marks in paper 2. 10 marks for 10 short rebuilds. I will teach you 5 rebuild patterns. Each one solves a different question type. Stay till the end. Real PSLE rebuilds. 3 traps. Subscribe so you do not miss the second video. Pattern 1. The despite rebuild. Use it when 2 ideas contrast each other. Original sentences. It rained heavily. We still went to the beach.
Easy. It rained heavily and we still went to the beach. Done!
Good instinct. The meaning is correct, but the exam asked for the word despite.
Despite of the heavy rain, we went to the beach. Hold on. Hoot, is that despite of or just despite? Blur put an on in there.
Despite never takes the word of. Despite the heavy rain, we still went to the beach. 3 connectors do the same job. Although, despite, in spite of, all show contrast. Although works with a clause. Despite works with a noun. In spite of also works with a noun.
So, although it rained, but despite the rain, never despite of the rain.
Picture perfect rule. That is pattern 1. Pattern 2. The to rebuild. Use it when something is so much that it blocks an action. Original sentence. The soup was very hot. Ravi could not drink it.
The soup was hot, and Ravi could not drink it, and... Blur, stop there and gag. The exam gave you the word too.
The soup was too hot for Ravi to drink, or the soup was so hot that Ravi could not drink it. 2 shapes, same meaning. To plus adjective plus to plus verb, or so plus adjective plus that.
So 2 is the short version, and so that is the long version of the same idea.
Exactly. Watch the negative. To always means the action did not happen. Never add the word not. Wrong. The soup was too hot for Ravi not to drink it. Right. The soup was too hot for Ravi to drink. Pattern 3. The reported rebuild. Use it when a person speaks, and you must report it later. Original sentence. May said, I am happy today.
May said that she is happy today. That sounds right to me.
Half right. You added the word that. Good, but you forgot the tense shift.
What is a tense shift? Did the tense move house?
Reported speech moves the verb 1 step into the past. Is becomes was. Have becomes had. May said that she was happy that day. Today also shifts. It becomes that day.
So I rebuild 3 things at once. Add that, shift the verb, and shift the time word.
That is the reported rebuild, the biggest source of 1-mark losses in synthesis.
Let us pause here for 8 seconds. Rebuild the sentence using reported speech. Aiden said, I will go tomorrow.
Aiden said that he would go the next day. Will becomes would. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Pattern 4. The unless rebuild. Use it when an if-not condition leads to a result. Original sentence. If you do not water the plant, it will die.
Unless you do not water the plant, it will die. Done.
Blur, that means the opposite. Now you are seeing it dies if you do water it.
Unless already contains the word not, so you remove the do not when you switch. Unless you water the plant, it will die. 3 words shorter, same meaning. Unless equals if not. Adding another not creates a double negative. The exam loves this trap. Pattern 5. The pair rebuild. Use it for either or, neither nor, both and, not only, but also. Original sentences. Lily plays the piano. Lily plays the violin.
Lily plays the piano and Lily plays the violin and...
Pair them! Lily plays both the piano and the violin.
Beautiful. Or use not only, but also. Lily plays not only the piano, but also the violin. 5 rebuild patterns. Despite 2 reported, unless, and pair. Memorize the connector that triggers each one. You have the 5 rebuild patterns. Now let us run a Singapore-flavored rebuild gauntlet.
Bring it on! Real exam style!
Original. The MRT was very crowded. We could not find a seat.
The MRT was crowded and we could not find a seat. And...
Blur, we rebuilt this with 2. The MRT was too crowded for us to find a seat.
Pattern 2 unlocked. IN2 plus adjective plus 2 plus verb. No double negative. Original. It rained heavily. The National Day Parade still went ahead.
Although it rained heavily, but the parade went ahead, 2 connectors equals double security.
Blur, although already shows the contrast, you cannot also add but.
Pick one connector. Although it rained heavily, the parade went ahead. Or, despite the heavy rain, the parade went ahead. Original. My grandmother said, I cooked chicken rice yesterday.
My grandmother said that she had cooked chicken rice the day before.
Triple rebuild. Added that. Cooked became had cooked. Yesterday became the day before.
Wait, why did cooked become had cooked? It was already past tense.
Past tense moves one more step back. Past becomes past perfect. Cooked becomes had cooked. Original. If you do not bring an umbrella, you will get wet.
Unless you bring an umbrella, you will get wet.
3 words shorter. The do not is gone because unless already contains not. Final round. Original. Khalid is good at math. Khalid is good at science.
Khalid is good at math and Khalid is good at science. Triple and combo.
Pair rebuild. Khalid is good at both math and science. Or not only math, but also science.
5 rebuilds, 5 marks, same meaning, new sentence every time. Stick around. The next section shows you the 3 traps Bazille plants in every paper. Subscribe so you can spot them on exam day. Synthesis and transformation lives in paper 2. 10 questions, 1 mark each. No partial credit.
So if I forget one tiny word, I lose the whole mark?
Correct. The marker is not looking for effort. The marker is looking for an exact match. Let us play Spot the Trap. 3 traps PSLE uses every single year. Trap 1. Despite of. The word of should never appear after despite.
But despite of sounds so smooth in my head. Like, despite of the rain, despite of the homework.
Sounding smooth is the trap. Despite is followed directly by the noun. Drop the up. Wrong. Despite of his fever, he came to school. Right. Despite his fever, he came to school. Trap 2. Forgetting the tense shift in reported speech, the verb must move 1 step back. Wrong. The teacher said that the test is on Monday. Right. The teacher said that the test was on Monday.
Even if the test is still on Monday in real life, I have to write was for the rebuild?
Yes, the rule is mechanical. Reported speech always shifts the tense, no exceptions for facts. Trap 3. The unless double negative. If the original has do not, unless replaces it. Wrong. Unless you do not study, you will fail. Right. Unless you study, you will fail.
Wait, so my unless answer was actually saying the opposite of the original?
Yes, the double negative reversed your meaning. Marker reads it once and gives you 0.
Let us pause here for 8 seconds. Spot the trap! Despite of the heavy traffic, we arrived on time!
Trap 1. Drop the 10 of. Despite the heavy traffic, we arrived on time. 1 mark say. Speed tip. Read the connector word in the question first. That tells you which pattern to use. See despite. Although, in spite of, pattern 1. See 2. Or so, pattern 2. See said, pattern 3. See if not, pattern 4. See and, both. Also, pattern 5.
So the connector is the trigger. The trigger tells me the rebuild shape.
You just unlock the synthesis cheat code. The marker writes the rebuild for you. You just have to obey.
What did we learn today?
5 rebuild patterns. Despite for contrast. 2 for blocked actions. Reported for spoken line. Unless. For if not. Pair for joining 2 ideas about the same thing. 3 traps to avoid. Despite of missing tense shift and the unless double negative.
I am retiring me and gag. From now on, I rebuild like a boss. Despite my and addiction, I will use real connector.
Here is your challenge. Tonight, take any 2 short sentences from your reader, combine them using despite, to, or unless. You just did synthesis.
Tomorrow, try a reported speech rebuild. Listen to one thing your sister says, then write it as she said that with the tense shifted.
10 marks, 5 patterns, 3 traps. Subscribe for the next PSLE English video and tell a friend who needs the rebuild trick.